cute.
Hi, Kristen. Hi, Kristen.
Good job.
Hi, Kristen. Hi, Kristen. Hi, Kristen. You're so cute. You're doing a really good job there, buddy. Yeah,
He holds his head up longer when he's on this.
Yeah, he's kind of inclined, so it's easier. Hi there, buddy. You're doing such a good job. Doing such a good job. You look a little tipsy. You look a little tipsy there. At least, yeah, he likes it.
Yeah, he doesn't like to go the other way on the Boppy pillow.
Yeah. You like it.
Hey, wobbly head.
Now he's starting to sink a little bit.
Into the pillow?
Yeah. You're doing a good job, though. You're doing a really good job.
Oh, a side bald spot.
More hair will come.
Good job, baby.
You're so adorable. The more alert you are, the cuter you are. Oh. Like you know what I'm talking about. Huh.
Okay.